In this video we have listed the top 5 best circular saw on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Rockwell Ultra Compact Circular Saw. Powerful, 4.0 AMP, multifunctional, ultra-compact circular saw. Cuts wide variety of materials such as tile, wood, sheet metal, plastics, flooring, and more. Ergonomic design with slim grip handle improves comfort and enhances grip and control. Built-in laser guide helps you align the perfect dust extraction adapter, keeps the cut line free of dust for improved. Pivoting metal guard accommodates safe and easy plunge cuts. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Tacklife Circular Saw with Laser Guide. With laser guider and scale ruler, you can perform your job more accurately and efficiently. Soft no-slip rubberized handle provides comfortable grip feeling even after a long period of operation. Double switch controlling can forbid careless touching, hurt and protect your safety. 12.5 AMP pure copper motor running at 4,500 RPM deliver more powerful cutting with ease. Adjustable cutting angle 90 degrees to 45 degrees, compatible with 2 sizes of saw blades. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Bosch CCS 180B 18V circular saw. The cordless saw is balanced and compact with 3,900 no-load RPM and weighing only 6.6 pounds. Featuring a left blade design for a clear view of cut line. The cordless saw also provides an adjustable, easy-to-read bevel and a depth of cut gauge for consistent locking and improved accuracy. Electronic brake to quickly stop the blade for quick and easy use. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. DEWALT circular saw with electric brake. Lightweight and compact 15 ampere saw delivers power for the toughest applications. This product is manufactured in China. This product meets customer requirement. Lightweight and compact 8.8 pound. Electric brake, patented 15 AMP motor. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. SKIL 5180-01 lightweight circular saw. 14 AMP motor for more power and performance than the SKIL 5480. 15% weight reduction versus SKIL 5480, reduces user fatigue. 51-degree bevel with positive stop at 45 degree for greater cut capacity than SKIL 5480. Improved dust blower keeps line of cut free of sawdust. Includes 20-tooth carbide blade. Check the description for best price and details.